Once your bank account reaches a specific threshold, there are certain matters that no longer require your attention. Affluent individuals establish a support system that alleviates them from having to confront the numerous challenges faced by the general populace. When you are affluent, you are not subjected to waiting in queues for anything. There is no need to wait in line for the latest iPhone, entry into exclusive clubs, dining at restaurants, going through security or boarding a plane like ordinary individuals. Surprisingly, even in healthcare settings, you are not required to spend time in the waiting room. Wealth grants you priority access. Similar to museums, where paying a little extra allows you to bypass the line, with greater payment, you can enjoy a personalized private showing. When encountering genuinely affluent individuals, one immediately notices peculiarities. Even during winter, they solely don their indoor garments while keeping their credit card attached to their smartphone. The reason? They possess a chauffeur who transports them from one climate-controlled setting to another. Since they are not embarking on a picnic, there is no need for them to carry any belongings. Bus tickets are unnecessary for you since you rarely use public transportation. Instead, you prefer to either take an Uber or simply walk to your desired location, as you reside in the city center. Furthermore, you have the luxury of a concierge who handles all of these arrangements for you. You merely inform them of your preferences. When it comes to entertainment, you do not purchase tickets for shows, airline tickets, or even lottery tickets. When individuals are of limited financial means, they possess a clear understanding of the extent to which they can allocate funds for occasional dining out experiences. Consequently, when they are dining in a group setting, they tend to engage in real-time calculations to ensure their orders remain within their financial boundaries. In stark contrast, this level of financial awareness is absent among affluent individuals. For them, the decision to indulge in dessert hinges upon their personal preferences rather than concerns about its cost. They are not compelled to scrutinize the prices listed on the menu, as most restaurants impose a ceiling on the overall expense of their culinary offerings. Most affluent individuals are unaware of the actual costs of water, electricity, and internet services. These expenses are typically bundled together under the category of living expenses and are often managed through automated payments or paid in advance for the entire year. Essentially, wealthy individuals adopt a corporate-like approach to their personal finances. They assume the role of CEO, focusing on the most crucial aspects of their lives, while their support system ensures that everything operates smoothly. When you have wealth, there's no need to engage in intricate financial maneuvers to stretch $150 for the entire week. They don't initiate a complimentary trial and promptly terminate it. Nor do they generate multiple email accounts solely for the purpose of obtaining additional free trials. They refrain from reading books as scanned PDFs on a screen when the physical copy is available for just $15. Affluent individuals do not bother with the hassle of taking their vehicles for regular maintenance, patiently waiting as the mechanic inspects the car and provides an estimate. They possess comprehensive insurance coverage, ensuring that someone else takes care of these tasks on their behalf. If you are in a privileged financial position, you never even have to make a pit stop for refueling. The same convenience extends to clean your car. Imagine waking up to find your vehicle immaculately spotless in the garage.